Today for motion design, we're going to look at pulling a vehicle, looking at force. You're going to pick up all your materials that you will need at the end of this video. To move a vehicle at rest requires a force, a push or a pull. Similarly, to slow or stop a moving vehicle also requires a force. Unbalanced forces initiate and influence movement. Imagine a tug of war. As it begins, both sides pull with equal force. Suddenly, one player drops out. The advantage moves toward the side with the stronger force. The speed of the rope and the players increase the direction of the stronger force. This goes along with Newton's second law of motion. It states that when a force is exerted on an object, the force acts to increase the speed of that object, to change its direction, or to slow or stop its motion. The effect of the force on the motion of the object depends on the size and direction of the force. Today you're going to get instructions on how to set up this falling weight system. So the directions will be to pick up your materials, place your vehicle on the long, flat workspace assigned to your group by your teacher. Then set up the workspace just as it is pictured. So right here there's a picture of the paperclip. You have to make it look like an S. So watch that carefully. Follow all the steps that you need to do to make yours look just like this. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Make certain to thread the string through the opening in the bookend. Have one member pull the vehicle back until the top of the paperclip hooks lines up with the top edge of the table. If you are using a longboard, pull the vehicle back until the rear wheels are near the end of the board. So here, if you look, the paper clip's right here. It needs to touch there, and it's connected right there to the vehicle. While one member holds the vehicle in place, have another member put 2 small washers on the paperclip hook at the edge of the table. Can the person who is holding the vehicle feel this added weight? So you're going to see if they can feel the added weight. Here are where the washers are. On the next page, now let go of the vehicle. If the vehicle does not move, it may help to tap it very slightly. The next one, discuss what you observed. Have the third member record your group's observations, but this one you're all going to create or record what it says on your sheet that you have. Pull your vehicle back again until the top of the paperclip hook lines up with the top edge of the table. Place 2 more small washers on the hook. Discuss what it feels like to hold the vehicle in place with 4 washers on the hook. So you have some directions. It's asking you questions to do while you are going through the list. 6. Let go of the vehicle. Record your findings on the sheet. 7. Pull the vehicle back again. Place 4 more small washers on the hook. Before you let go, discuss how it feels to hold the vehicle in place with 8 washers on the hook. Then make a prediction. Discuss how the vehicle will move. Now let go of the vehicle, record your findings. 8, you're going to repeat this activity with 16 washers. 9, you're going to complete all of the record sheet on 3A. Rank the speed of your vehicle when pulled by each weight by assigning each trial a number from 1 to 5, with 5 being the fastest. Which weight pulled the vehicle the fastest? So use your group members to help you go through 1 through 9 that you're going to do as a group. Work together. This record sheet 3A is in your packet. It says number and size of washers right here. So when you have 1 washer, 2 washer, 4 washer, 8 washer, and 16 washers, then your observations go right here in this blank space. And then when you rank it, 1 through 5. Which one was the fastest will be number 5. At the bottom, it has a thinking challenge. Right here. Think about the height of your workspace and the length of your string. Think about the distance your vehicle moves. How are all these measurements related and why? So make sure you answer that at the bottom. I know you all are very excited to get started. Make sure you follow the directions on the page and you also record how your vehicle moves. Here are the materials that you're going to need. Your record sheet, which you already have in your packet, your vehicle, a piece of string that's cut, but if you want to remeasure it to make sure it's right, you may do that, a piece of cardboard, or your desk, the table that it's on, 2 jumbo paper clips, 16 small metal washers, 1 large metal washer, 1 small bookend, and this we will not need. You also have a plastic cup which your washers will go in. There'll be string in case you need it, and some measuring tape you already have. Good luck!